Sprint reviews mark the end of each sprint. It is also called demo, as it is the opportunity for the team to showcase what they've achieved in the sprint. The sprint review is where the stakeholders have the chance to inspect the product and see how it evolves. The customers can provide direct feedback about the product being developed. Actually, the main purpose of the review meeting is to trigger a conversation between the team and the stakeholders. The product owner collects the findings of the review meeting and creates new product backlogs if needed. A sprint review shall not be longer than 1 hour per sprint week. If a sprint is 2 weeks long, the sprint review should be maximum 2 hours long. The Scrum methodology keeps the frequency and the length of meetings at a practical minimum. Agile is all about communication, yet useless meetings should be avoided. The retrospective. The final Scrum ceremony is the retrospective meeting. The aim of the retrospective is to improve the performance of the team. Team members address the following questions. What went well during the sprint? What could have gone better? And what could be improved in the next sprint? Ideally, the team identifies one improvement that can be implemented effectively immediately. Let me give you a real-life example. During such a retrospective, somebody brought up that our central build server has become very sluggish. This affected the productivity of the entire team, as we had to wait for the build server whenever we submitted a code change. The build server had to validate the new change by building the software after a code change occurred. And the time it took to receive a green signal from the build server has been consistently increasing. A short chat with our DevOps engineer revealed the core problem. As it turned out, the server was not only building the software after each code change, but it also ran all unit tests. Some of these tests were very time-consuming, so no wonder that the server became laggy. After spotting the core problem, finding the solution was only a matter of minutes. We reconfigured the build server to run the lengthy unit tests once every night. The results were automatically emailed to each team member. This brought a measurable boost to the overall team performance and saved some money on electric bills too. By now, you should have a good understanding of Scrum. Agile methodologies and Scrum are quite widespread nowadays, so you'll probably find this knowledge useful when you start working in the industry, which I hope is going to happen soon if you are not already there. In the next lecture, I'm going to talk about the burndown chart, which represents an easy, intuitive approach to graphically track the progress of the Scrum team.